So this video is showing you how to upload a recording to your Keynote as a way to do a screencast. So what you're going to do first is obviously open up your Keynote. You're going to want to make sure it's finished, and you're going to go up here to the top where it says play, and you're going to click record slideshow. So when you have it open, you'll notice it won't start recording right away. It has the current time. It shows the recording time where you're at, the slide that it's currently showing, and then the upcoming slide just so you can plan ahead. Down at the bottom, you'll notice that it is picking up my voice and the audio, mute button. This red button is going to be how you actually record. So let's say I want to start recording, click it, it counts down, and now it is recording what I am saying within this video. The important thing to keep in mind with this is that when you record it, you can only do one recording. You can't do multiple recordings and then upload those multiple recordings. It's basically a one and done. So let's say with this recording, I mess it up, I do something wrong. So I've stopped it, I can close out of it. If you want to watch it before you export it, you go up to play and play recorded. And now it is recording what I am saying within this video. So, maybe that's not exactly what I wanted. So unfortunately, you can't just re-record over that. You actually have to clear it and then start over. It's not like doing it in iMovie where you can edit the audio. So I'll go back. This obviously will take a little bit more patience if you do it this way. So now it is recording my audio, and I'm talking about what great thing NHS is, and I can move through the slides and do all this other cool stuff. And now I can close that. Let's listen to it just to be sure that I like it. So now it is recording my audio. Okay, we don't need to listen to that anymore. So once you have it all recorded up here, and you'll see it, what you can go ahead and do is go to File, and you're going to export it as a movie file. So make sure you do have it to the highest resolution. It should default to the slideshow recording. Click Next. Obviously give it a unique name so you'll be able to find it. And it should export relatively quickly. And then from there, you will simply need to go to YouTube to upload the file. So here's my recording. I don't really want to listen to it again, so we're not going to. And then you'll just simply go onto YouTube, make sure you've actually created the channel, and you'll drag and drop the file in. So when you get to YouTube, there's actually a shortcut up here at the top, a little recording. You can easily just upload a video, and you simply drag and drop that file in there. Hopefully this video is helpful for you guys to create a recording within Keynote.